Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got some awesome unique watch faces for you. It is Friday, the weekend is here. It is time to get ready. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we got some awesome free watch faces for you all to check out. We're trying to squeeze the Gear Manager store for all the freebies they got. Cool. Now, if you know anybody that has a Gear 3 watch face and they don't know about Huck's World, spread the word for me. Spread the word. We try to bring you the best out of the best watch faces that the Gear Manager store has to offer. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick off this review. Now, this week, it is Friday. It's the weekend. It's here. It's time to get ready. I don't know if you're going to have a casual day, but this watch face, understand, is going to tie into a super casual day. And I think it's super awesome. But let's take a look at it. The name of it is called Ocean View. Now, it's an analog watch face. It's beautiful and always on mode. You're going to get what's most important, and that's your time. But when this watch face is on, the animation seems so fluid. You really don't see any lag or anything like that. It goes through a cycle of different motions of the water. This one's awesome, right? But it is customizable too as well. Now, if you look, you can see your steps right there. You come down, you can see your heart rate, you get your time, you get your settings over there. And at the top, you're going to get your date. So this is a good look. Let's go ahead and tap on it and you can change the theme of this watch face. So now you don't have the whole screen, which I love the whole screen with the ocean view. It looks nice. You tap it again, it'll change the color. You tap it again, it changes these little dots here, which gives it a different look, different color. So I thought this was pretty cool. You cycle through and you back to the beginning, and these are interactive. So you can tap on your steps and it will pull it up. And I'm liking it. I'm thinking this is definitely a great find. What do you think? At the end of the day, it is up to you. I'm liking this watch face. Check it out in the Gear Manager store. Let's go on. Let's check out number 2. Now, number 2 is really, really simple. It's by JMO. It's called Digital 4F 12 hours. All right. So I believe they have this one in the 24 hours as well. I don't know if it's free or not, but this one is very simple and always on mode. It's going to be blacked out. But if you're looking for something free, something simple, something plain, then this watch face is the one for you. Now, the only customization that you can do with this watch face, I know you were surprised, like, I don't think it has anything, but yeah, you can single tap or double tap in the center and it'll change it to gold and or silver. Those are the only two colors that you get. It's very simple, but again, remember, it is free. Go ahead, check it out in the Gear Manager store. Last but not least, number 3. Now, number 3 is called Orange S Face. Very nice looking watch face and always on mode. It's going to give you a traditional analog look. When the watch face is on, I'm liking this. No, you can't customize the color, but I'm still thinking it's a good look. I like the second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. That's not so plain. You got a white tip instead of it all being all orange. I thought that was really nice. And then you got your step count info, got your heart rate. You look down at the bottom, Kryptonia, military time, and you got the day and the date. And at the top, it gives you your battery percentage. It just pretty much gives you everything that you can possibly need out of a watch face. And I thought that the developer did a pretty good job with this one. All right, you all, it is the weekend. I hope you enjoy, have fun, party like it's 1999, and most of all, be safe. All right, you all, enjoy your weekend, and I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.